the only people who just go fest after fest after fest after fest. And we don't get tired. We don't get tired. Big up to all the other Caribbean countries. But I love my country. Anybody represent the red, the white, and the black, put your hands in the air right now. Come on, Jim from water. Oh yeah, with the actors in there, with the actors in there. One, what's that shit in Virginia? What's it hands to the sky. What's the Virginia? Oh, let's go.
I don't usually get on bad, but it's carnival and time to lose a line.
So this is my carnival aftermath. I am relaxing and enjoying the beautiful Tobago, Trinidad's twin island. And for a lot of people, Tobago may be the stereotypical getaway after carnival. It might be the stereotypical thing to do, you know, after playing mass, go to Tobago and chill on the beach. But to me, the opportunity to be in TNT, Trinidad and Tobago, is a great opportunity in itself, just to be able to go there, travel there, see my family and all that. So even if I end up doing the more stereotypical things, I don't mind, because I think that it's a blessing to just experience the islands in general, to be there, to take part in carnival. It's an opportunity and a blessing, and not everybody can do it. So even if I end up doing the stereotypical things, I say, you know, at least I managed to go back and see my family, managed to go back and participate in carnival and experience things, visit the beaches. I don't live there, so I don't have a lot of time to schedule in everything. One day I would like to see the south side of Trinidad because I heard that south is bright. They have lots of things going on, it's happening, and I'm more familiar with the north. So yeah, just going to Tobago was definitely on the itinerary list, and I spent a really short time, like just one day in Tobago, and I did some beach hopping. So these are some scenes from the lovely, beautiful beaches in Tobago. Now, Trinidad has some really nice food, really nice dishes, but when I'm in Tobago in particular, I like to get curry crab and dumpling. And they have the same cuisine, kind of like Trinidad, but the curry crab and dumpling is definitely a Tobagonian staple or popular Tobagonian dish. So I have a recipe on my channel where I make curry crab and dumpling, and I just made it in my little apartment in Toronto. So it's just kind of like a basic recipe. But when I'm in Tobago, having the real authentic curry crab and dumpling is just amazing because it's the real deal, it's a real thing, and just eating it in Tobago, you know, is an experience in itself.
One thing I know, we Trinidad people and them do go is small fed. I know that for sure. We do go small fed. We do go small fed. That's the entry of the city. Yeah. She feel like the pipe boss. She don't want it.
So the last time I played Mass was actually in the year 2011. I played with Edmund Hart's band. For 2 years, Carnival was shut down in Trinidad and Tobago for the COVID pandemic outbreak. So there was no Carnival for 2 years in Trinidad because of the COVID virus and pandemic.
Margaret came and she left here with some lovely bit. She said, for the men, rub the sand on your head. You guarantee to get 5 years wiser, for the ladies 10 years younger. Happy married couples have a kiss under the water. Problems in marriage will just vanish. That one is not guaranteed. So no diving, no jumping. It's very shallow. You guys may enjoy. So when you guys
I like being back in Trinidad and Tobago and being around Trinbagonians because most understand that a wine is just a wine and vice versa. So not having to explain the culture and just enjoying the culture is very freeing. Not having to explain myself is such a great feeling. I don't live in Trinidad and move around a lot. So sometimes I get questions about my heritage with undertones of judgment from the people that are asking the questions. And you know, all people and cultures do things like that, so I understand. It's just things people do. But to be honest, if I'm being honest here, a basic mundane thing, like not having to explain myself and what my cultural background is, why I wear my outfit a certain way or style, why I pronounce things a certain way, why I eat certain foods, etc., etc., is a great feeling for me. I'm laughing because it's true. And I truly love moments like that. I value things like that. It's kind of like peace of mind. Carnival is a time when one can express themselves freely. And Carnival season is definitely a special time in TNT. TNT is not always one big carnival though. So basically for the rest of the year, there's different vibes, which is not the carnival vibe. Christmas and summer are good times to visit, and they have completely different vibes compared to the carnival season. It's kind of true though that fetes, limes, and parties happen all year round. They're not all associated with the carnival season, but yes, there's always kind of fetes and parties happening. And if you get invited to a house party, those, in my opinion, are some of the best parties ever.